right, guys, so changing your cabin air filter is a really important thing. If you've got a bit of a funk in the car or you've got a funny smell, and they really should be changed maybe as much as once a year. Also, if you've been out here on the West Coast and you've had all the smoke and fires, definitely time to change them. So this is the old filter out of my E83, so out of an X3, and as you can see, it's pretty gray. It doesn't look pretty good. Now this is also the charcoal air filter here for the X5. So as you can tell, it's got a little bit of gray to it, but it's much lighter. The original that was here in the X3 was just bright white, like the box right here, and you could really see the difference between the two. So I've already changed it out. The models are so similar between the E46, the E53 and the E83 that I can just show you on one, and you'll get the idea from all of them. It's really quite simple. So let's get back behind and let me move this filter, and then I'll show you what it's like to change this on an E53. So the E46 and E83 are kind of based off the same platform, and the engine bay is very similar. And it does look a little bit different than this, but it's very similar enough that I can kind of be generic across all of them. In the E46 and E83, you've got 3 of these little twists here at the back of the engine bay, and you've got a cover that's going to lift up. In this case, you've got 3, but they're slightly different. Just turn the little knobs, turn the center clip, and then you can lift this up, and here's your air filter. So just grab the flap, and the nice thing about this is you can tell which way that it goes in. It's also marked airflow with the arrows pointing that direction, because the air is going to come through and through your filter. So just grab on the little flap and pull it out. Now this one, it really isn't that bad in the big scheme of things when I look at it, but I'm going to change it anyway because I'm going to change the filters on all 3 of my cars. So as far as air filters go, this really isn't that bad. You can see a little bit of grungy stuff there on the bottom.